I just finished 180 days with my MetroPCS phone, and it should unlock. Someone said keep trying for it to get unlocked because the servers are sometimes busy. So I kept trying. Oh, unlock is approved. So this is how you unlock your phone. We start now. So now that the unlock is successful, I have removed the MetroPCS SIM here, and then I'll be trying my visible SIM card to see if the unlock is functional or not. Now that you have seen, I put my visible phone SIM card here. It says 4G LTE. It is working. Visible. Let me make a quick call. So I'm just trying to call the contact us number.
Hi, welcome to the Googleplex. We're closed at the moment, but you can reach us again during our working hours.
So this phone, which was locked to MetroPCS, is working with Google. Is working with Visible SIM right now. And if you look, the Metro Unlock application is gone from the Metro menu. So there you go, Metro phone. That's how you unlock a Metro phone, and this is the OnePlus Nord N10 5G.